Hello, I welcome you back to Moses TCG. In today's video, I'm showing you a keyboard shortcut for printing any document from any program. You open your document, the document that you want to print. From the document, you press your control button. You don't remove the finger and press P. Okay. Some people, they press and release. Don't press and release. The first button, press and leave your finger there and press the P button. The print dialog will come. The print dialog box will come. Then from there you can select from the list of printers, you can select the printer you want to print from. That is today's video. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also share it to your friends.